Every month, millions of people make the same decision. They spend their paycheck, bills are paid, subscriptions renew, shopping carts fill up, and before they know it, another month is gone. But imagine making one small change. Instead of spending $100, you invest it. Not once, not when the market feels safe, but every single month. Could one simple habit quietly transform your financial future? Or is that just another promise that sounds too good to be true? Today, we're exploring how consistency, not luck, has helped ordinary people build wealth over time. When people talk about investing, they often believe they need a large amount of money to get started. Some say they'll begin after getting a better job. Others promise they'll invest once they've saved a few $1,000s. But the biggest obstacle isn't the length of money. It's the habit of waiting. Every year you delay is another year your money loses the opportunity to grow. The world's most successful investors didn't become wealthy because they started with unlimited money. Many started with modest savings and a long-term mindset. They understood something simple. Time can be one of the most valuable assets an investor has. The earlier you begin building good financial habits, the more opportunities your investments have to grow. The hardest step isn't choosing the perfect investment, it's simply getting started. Think about planting a tree. On the first day, nothing seems different. After a week, there's barely any change. Even after several months, growth appears slow. But year after year, those small changes become impossible to ignore. Building wealth often works the same way. $100 may not seem life-changing today, but repeated consistently over many years, small investments can become something much larger. Not because every month delivers extraordinary returns, but because consistency creates momentum. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to build a habit that continues. In the end, successful investing is rarely about making one perfect decision. It's about small, disciplined ones. The stock market has never followed a perfectly smooth path. There have been recessions, financial crises, periods of uncertainty that made many believe investing was no longer worth the risk. Yet history has shown a consistent pattern. Markets experience setbacks, but they often recover. Diversified, long-term investors who remain invested through both good times and bad have benefited. The lesson isn't that prices always rise, it's that patience often matters more than perfect timing. Trying to predict every market move is incredibly difficult. Staying focused is a more reliable approach. Imagine two people. The first spends years waiting for the perfect opportunity, the perfect stock, the perfect headline, the perfect market. The second person doesn't try to predict the future. Every month, they invest the same amount, quietly, consistently, without chasing trends or reacting to every headline. Years later, the difference isn't luck, it's discipline. Building wealth isn't about one brilliant decision. It's about making good decisions over and over again. $100 won't make you wealthy overnight, but it helps you build something valuable, a habit, a system that works quietly in the background while life moves forward. Because financial success isn't built in a single day. It's built one month, one investment at a time. If you enjoy cinematic business documentaries and practical financial education, subscribe to $29. Thanks for watching.